Happy Mail Friday! Woohoo! And I have some amazing mail to share with you today. So I will just jump right in. I have 4 envelopes and I'm very, very excited to share these with you. So let's just start with the one on top. So the first one is from Stephanie. Thank you so, so much, Stephanie. Stephanie always sends me a Christmas card every year and I absolutely love it. And this Christmas card is just beautiful. Thank you so much, Stephanie, for sending me a Christmas card every year. I very, very much appreciate it. I love it. And even though I have struggles with Christmas, these are little things that make me very happy, and that you want to send me a Christmas card every year, even though I don't send Christmas cards, maybe one day. But thank you so much, Stephanie. I always do send Stephanie something back later on in the year, but it's not Christmas themed. So thank you so much, Stephanie. I very, very much enjoy this Christmas card, and it will go into my pen pal journal like the other ones from past years. So let's go on to the next one. I will do that later. So the next one is this lovely mail from Emma. Thank you so much, Emma. So there's a story behind this. Emma and I are birthday buddies. So we are both, our birthdays are on the 23rd of November. And she was so kind to send me this. And with all, I feel a bit ashamed, but with all the exams and me forgetting about time and just being so focused on school, I forgot to congratulate her on her birthday. So when I received this mail, I remembered. I was like, oh, Kira, why? But still, Emma, thank you so, so much. It really, really, really made me so happy. So I will just share with you what she sent me. It's the most beautiful, beautiful mail. And she added in a little coffee, iced latte vanilla. I'm so, so excited to try this out. And she also added a little note on there on how to make it. So thank you so much, Emma. And then she made me this beautiful, beautiful card. Look at this. It is gorgeous. Look, she even included a balloon. I absolutely adore it. Thank you so much, Emma. I really, thank you. I'm so sorry that I wasn't in time with congratulating you on your birthday. She also included a little cards on the back in this little shopping bag, which I really like, which I'm definitely gonna use in my projects. So thank you so much, Emma. Or is there even more in here? No, right? No. Love, love, love it. Thank you so, so much. And next year I will put it in my bullet journal with exclamation marks to be on time with it. Thank you so much. I very much appreciate it. Then next up is Rigmor, and she always sends me a birthday card and a Christmas card at once because they're so close together. Of course, the 23rd of November, and then you have like Christmas on the 25th, so of December. So she always sends me those together, which I very like because Rigmor is amazing card maker. She's an amazing card maker, and I'm just gonna show you what I got from her. So she included these beautiful butterfly die cuts, which I very, very much like. So I will take them out for you. Look how beautiful they are. And I think it's supposed to back them on the paper, but of course you don't have to. But look how pretty. I love this die. Thank you so much for this, Rigmor. Then she also included some beautiful napkins. Very much enjoy them. Beautiful colors, beautiful flowers. Very like it that I have the same design but in different colors. A bit of washi, which is always good. Camera, focus please. Look how pretty. I love it. Gorgeous, gorgeous washi. Then she also included some samples of the Crafternoon papers from Kaisercraft, and I love it that you printed out the cover of the 6x6 paper or 6.5 by 6.5. Maybe I should get this. I don't know if I can still get it because I absolutely love this. So I will just take it out. So this one says think happy and be happy, and everything has to do with crafting, which I really, really like. Love this kit, so maybe I should get it. I have so many papers, but you know, I am a true crafter, so Absolutely beautiful. Love the die cut pieces. I craft so hard I sweat glitter. Absolutely love it. And then she included some of the papers for me. So she included these papers. Very pretty. Love this paper with all kinds of words on there that have to do with crafting. Scissors. And this beautiful doily paper. And these two are also embossed, so they feel very nice. And I think you can see it in the on screen. Thank you, Rigmor. Rigmor, I really, really like it. Then here are the big ones. So this is her Christmas card to me. And she made such a cool card this year. Let me open it up. I always stick her Christmas cards and birthday cards on my wall. I have a wall over there with all things Happy Meal related that I received. So this one will also go up on there. Look how beautiful this is. I think she made it with distress oxides and did some die cutting and embossing. Absolutely love it. And on the back is a little message to me. Beautiful, beautiful card. And then my birthday card, which is also always a treat to receive. Gorgeous. Look, she made it with the butterfly. I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the wings can flip up a little bit. Absolutely beautiful, Rigmor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if you want to check her out, go check her out. She's amazing. So these will go up on my wall. So thank you so, so much for this birthday gift and Christmas card. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then last but definitely not least, I received a card from Carmen. And she also sent me this beautiful Christmas card. And I believe she made it herself or she decorated it. I just love it. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So this will also go in my pen pal journal, I think, with the card that I received from Stephanie. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Carmen. Thank you. So that was Happy Mail Friday for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I have sent out 3 mails in the meantime. I hope they will arrive soon. And I hope to catch up on every mail once I graduated. So I'm in my final 2 exams. Yay, exciting. So I will get that big list. And everyone who ever sent me mail but hasn't received anything yet will get something from me after that. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!